Akshi. The sound comes and the grandma comes out with the pepper rasam ready for them to drink. Or it will be milk with turmeric and pepper. Instinctively, these things immediately as a preventive comes out on the table. This is very effective even today. You take this as soon as a sneeze or a little bit of cold bothers you, and you can see that you are prevented from getting cold, cough, fever. Household remedy, but excellent. Even in China, Corona time, they took this rasam. So any small disorder in the body, kitchen has a solution. Just know the right combination and rock.